all and welcome to the fourth lesson of the second module of the second part of Realty Ready. In this module we talk all about Dubai real estate, and in this lesson we will discuss the freehold and leasehold ownership in Dubai. Let's start with freehold. Simply stated, freehold is where the buyer becomes the owner of the property and the land forever. In May 2002, the Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, issued a decree allowing foreigners to buy property on freehold basis. This is limited to specific areas in Dubai known as designated areas. Popular freehold areas in Dubai are Dubai Marina, Palm Jumeirah, Jumeirah Lake Towers, Business Bay, Downtown, Sport City, Motor City, Al Barari, and many other areas. Now let's talk about leasehold, also known as long-term lease. Under this type, the buyer holds the property anywhere from 10 up to 99 years, after which time the property is returned to the landowner. In 2001, the Dubai government agreed to allow foreigners to own real estate on such basis. This was limited to particular projects in Dubai. Some of the leasehold areas in Dubai are Jumeirah, Al Barsha, Mirdif, Satwa, Al Qusais, and other areas. For homework, make a list of all the freehold and leasehold areas you know of. Now let's look at some important things you need to know about freehold and leasehold. 1. It is important to note that the tenancy laws are not applicable over the long-term leases, also known as leasehold, and the RDC does not have jurisdiction over long-term lease disputes. Also, citizens of the GCC are not considered foreigners and they can buy and own the property in a leasehold area. Also, both ownerships, freehold and leasehold types, give the flexibility to owners to live in, rent out, modify, and sell the property. In a leasehold, it will be based on the remaining life of the lease. For example, if you bought the property on a leasehold with 99 years ownership, but you decide to sell it after 10 years, the new buyer will then get the remaining 89 years of the lease, and so on. And that was all for this lesson. Don't forget for homework to make a list of all the freehold and leasehold areas you know of and post it in our Facebook group. As always, thank you for your attention and see you in the next lesson.